I get this question all the time. Devin, what should you standardize first if every video feels like starting from zero? The answer is not your edit template and it's not your thumbnail file. Standardize your video brief first. Here's why. If the core decision-making changes, every upload, everything downstream changes with it. The script changes, the hook changes, the edit changes, and even the thumbnail direction changes. So the first thing to make repeatable is the thinking before production. My rule is simple. Every video starts with the same 6-part brief. 1, target viewer. 2, search intent or content goal. 3, the exact promise of the video. 4, the angle that makes this version worth watching. 5, the 3 to 5 beat outline. 6, the packaging direction, meaning likely title and thumbnail idea. If you lock those 6 fields before scripting, you stop creating from zero. You're not guessing anymore. You're running a system. Then once that brief is stable, standardize script structure next, then editing, then thumbnails. If you want one place to run that workflow, Satura is useful as the layer that keeps the brief, script, and production steps connected. So if you only standardize one thing first, standardize the brief. That's the part that makes the rest reusable.